So our next esteemed speaker is Mr. Tariq Hashmi from the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology. His topic is Adopting Industrial and Advanced Technologies for a Sustainable Future. Do join me in giving him a warm welcome.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tariq Hashmi, and I'm the Director of Technology Adoption and Development in the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology. So I'm really inspired today by the great presentations and great panels. And thank you so much, Hani. You have made my job much easier. Because my job in the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology is to transform industries and to align them with the same vision that Hani has set for Majid al-Fatin. So how can I transform, decarbonize, and future-proof our industrial base by leveraging advanced technology? This is my mission in the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology. So just to take you a little bit back in time, 2 years ago, in the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology, we launched our integrated industrial and advanced technology strategy, which we call Operation 300 Billion. The name stems from the target that we have set for ourselves. So basically, we are on an endeavor to further diversify the UAE's economy, and we are working on diversifying the economy and increasing the manufacturing value-add contribution to our economy to 300 billion dirhams by 2031. At the same time, we are a very responsible country. Decarbonization is at the top of our agenda. We are hosting COP28 this year, and definitely our strategy is not a conventional industrial policy or industrial strategy. We are working on steering industrialization in the country to be smart, green, and more sustainable. So from the get-go, we realized that advanced technology should be embedded within our drive towards industrialization. So basically, how can we transform our industries, our existing industries, to cut emissions? How can we make them produce more with less? How can we ensure that climate action and industrialization go hand in hand? And we truly believe that we can achieve both. And this is our vision in the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology. And I'm here today to talk about one of our flagship programs which are attempting to achieve that. And it is the Industrial Technology Transformation Index. So back in 2022, we launched the Technology Transformation Program, which aims to accelerate the pace of technological transformation in the country. And the program focuses on a few pillars: capability development, raising awareness, research and development, fostering experimentation, and putting the right incentives. So we drove this with a bottom-up approach, and we wanted to understand what are the challenges in the face of industry to adopt the best-in-class technologies. And they were really clear. Awareness was one, absorptive capacity, especially in the SME community, incentives, and technical support. And this is what we're trying to solve for with the Technology Transformation Index. We're trying to improve industry competitiveness, enable evidence industrial policy making, and accelerate the pace of industrial innovation in the UAE. So what we did is, we wanted to create a mechanism to enable industry to seamlessly integrate advanced technologies. We have seen great examples from Hani and from G42 and from the other colleagues from MBZUAI. There is a technological revolution that's taking place. And we need to future-proof our industries and enable them to absorb these technologies. So the idea was we need a mechanism to enable the SME community, to enable the industry. So what we worked on is as a framework that is intuitive, insightful, future-looking, and easy to deploy. This is what the framework looks like, or what we call the ITTI, the Industrial Technology Transformation Index. We realize that innovation and technology needs to be embedded across the entire industrial value chain. And this is why you can see that this framework reflects the value chain or the industrial value chain, as well as key functions and key pillars within an organization. It covers process, technology, organization, and sustainability. And definitely sustainability was a core element and a core pillar that we wanted to embed in this framework. This is a better look at what the framework looks like. Again, it has 20 dimensions covering a wide range of functions that an organization may have. So you may be wondering, okay, this is a framework, so what does it mean? How can we mobilize it? How can we put it in action? Our objective is to achieve impact. Our objective is to deploy technology at scale. Our objective is to decarbonize the entire value chain. So we created this futuristic, forward-looking framework, and we have put it in action through a nationwide program. So what we did is we developed an assessor certification program where we have certified consultancies, technology providers, technology experts to use the Industrial Technology Transformation Index framework. And we developed a certification program where these assessors can go visit the company, visit the manufacturer, and conduct a one-day assessment. This one-day assessment results in a report, and this report provides the manufacturer or the industrial player with the level of his digital and sustainability maturity. It provides him with best-in-class benchmarks, as well as a roadmap with clear recommendations for transformation. So the objective is to deploy this mechanism at a company level, but to achieve a macro level impact. And it has already been deployed across the UAE industrial sector. We realize that this is not enough. In policy making, we always have the stick and the carrot, and I'm a true believer of the carrot. This is why we decided to link the ITTI framework with other policy levers, with other incentives that we have. So one of the incentives that we have is the ICV program, or the in-country value program, where we provide manufacturers and service providers with access to government procurement. And we have linked that with their ITTI score. So now manufacturers who are at the frontier of the fourth industrial revolution, who are at the frontier of decarbonization and sustainability, they have better access to government procurement. They have better access to the procurement of our national champions. We are also working on expanding the program to include more incentives to further incentivize our industrial base to decarbonize and accelerate the pace of technological transformation. And again, what we are trying to do with the ITTI is to create an ecosystem that will enable industry, again, to seamlessly integrate advanced technology, to create a systemic impact, to create a paradigm shift in the way we produce things. And this is our vision at the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology. Public-private partnership is definitely at the core of this program, and it's a core value in our ministry. So As you can see in our ecosystem, it's open for the private sector, and we are keen on diversifying and further partnering with like-minded peers. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much.